21 days. That's all it took to go from pure destruction and dirt and nasty to this right here. I mowed yesterday, but I need to finish it today. I've been sick all week long and just feeling absolutely miserable. It wasn't coronavirus though, for all of those you wishing I had it. Sorry, I don't. Maybe next time though. It took me forever last night to mow back here, and I just mowed. No edging, none of that. So we're gonna do that right now, get that finished. That's what I'm talking about. Hard to believe that this is only 21 days, well 22 now, and that KBG's already allowing just fantastic stripe action to happen back here. Holy man, it's looking really good now, and it's only going to be better as we get deeper into fall. So I've been looking at the weather though, and it looks like we're not going to have any rain for at least the next week or so. So I am still having to irrigate this back here. Had a little bit of a break when we had some rain, but hey, now we're back into it. But I don't have to water it all the time like I was doing. I can back it down a little bit, and I'm gonna add a little bit of, some tournament ready, or it might be ready for some oyster. I don't know. It might be. The next big challenge though is going to be, when can I start actually pushing the growth of this Kentucky bluegrass and not negatively affect the Bermuda? Because if it was just Bermuda back here, I wouldn't be fertilizing anymore at all. My last fertilization would have probably been like the last week of August, maybe Labor Day weekend, and then that would have been it for the year. But I have this to grow in and got to figure out what to do with that. Ooh, but that's for another time. Right now I need to go start working on getting the front yard looking as awesome as this backyard does. So that's it for this one, and you'll see me in the next one in the front. Oh yeah, it's cooling down, but it's heating up. So thank y'all for watching this. Hope you enjoyed just the first mow on this back here, and we'll see you again, you know, soonish, maybe.